How to check Facebook video history. So let's get started. First, launch the Facebook app on a device. Then tap on the menu icon from the top right corner. After that, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Now tap on it. From the Settings menu, select Settings. Scroll down to your Activity section. From here, select the Activity Log option. Now tap on the Activity History from the top right corner. At the top, you can see the Filters button. Tap on it. A menu will occur. From the menu, select Categories. Then click on a Facebook activity. Now from here, select the Post option. Here you have the Videos you've watched option. Tap on it. Now you can see the list of videos that you have watched in Facebook along with the date. And that's how you can check Facebook video history.